Hey everyone, this is Azhai. Today I'm doing an unboxing haul for you guys. So to move on with this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below to support my channel. Now you guys may be hearing my sisters and my baby brother in the background and also like a rattle shaking. It's because they're trying to keep him like contained. My mom is here, but he's a little bit loud right now. He's just like himself. So I'm just letting you guys know before this video kind of like goes on. We have quite a bit of packaging, so without further ado, I'm going to get on with this video so it's not such a long video, because I know it probably will be. The reason why I said that it's a lot of unboxing even though there's only like a few boxes is because they have to be assembled and some of them don't, and you know, I want to try the products out so that you guys can see. So to cut to the chase, I'm opening this one first. I'm gonna like put the camera down or something like that, or put the camera farther out. Maybe I should scoot out. Yeah, here we go. This product is from Romley, and it's a tapestry. It's basically like a mandala, but it's like a tapestry that goes on your wall. And I ordered some fairy lights. Focus. String lights for the tapestry. This is what they look like. This is what they look like. What the heck? My mom wanted to see this video because she's interested. She said, I wanna be on track with all the new trends. And I'm like, okay. I always get like scared whenever I film around my family because I don't know what they think. Like, oh, she always films everything. But like YouTube is one of my favorite things to do. It's actually like, if I had to, this would be my job every single day if I did this full time and I didn't have any school and I got paid for it, but you know, I don't. But oh my gosh, this thing is so long. It is super long. I will be linking everything down in the description below, if I can say it right. I'll be linking everything down in the description below so that you guys can go buy it or check it out as I review it. So you should probably go do this. And before I unpackage anything else, this video is not sponsored. It is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not sponsored. Any of these packages are not sponsored, I promise. Let's plug these in, see what they look like. Whoa. These are freaking pretty. They change. I'm actually really excited for these lights. Like, I'm legit excited. Now for the tapestry. This is how it be looking. It's like this. You guys see? It's like this. So, guess who has a new filming background? I do. Okay. Now for the next one. Is a microphone, so yeah, it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but that's okay. As long as it improves my audio, that'd be great.
Does this thing work? Do you work?
Be like
Right there, maybe. Let's see if this works.
next one. This
Right here is my sweat.
Okay, this right here is another package. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is my clear phone case. Yes, it is. I got this phone case. It's clear. That came off pretty easy. And it comes with this little wrapping inside. Kind of like my other ones. This one seems pretty protective. It has like a yellow tint. I don't know, like right there on the edges. I have this one, that's my first one. And then I have this one, that's my second one. This one right here is my worst enemy because this one's the one that broke my phone and shattered it everywhere. So this one's the worst one that I've had so far, and I really dislike. I've never put it on ever since it shattered my phone because it doesn't protect the front, it protects the back and on the sides and not the front. It doesn't overlap over the screen. Now I have this case. My third case that I bought is bomb dainty. I love it so much, but it does not fit my iPhone charger because I have to get a new one because my other one broke on the thing. It's just very, very protective. It's clear right here. It's hard on the back and then soft on the front for you to touch the screen. Yeah, basically. Since it's an essential, I would give this a 10 out of 10. Yeah. So whoever I bought this off of, thank you so much. It's super, super good. Now, I got this for my birthday. This is from my amazing aunt. I call her my aunt, even though she's not really my aunt. She's been my babysitter ever since I was like, maybe 10, maybe 11. I can't remember. Yeah, but she's like family now. I'm gonna open it if I can. This is from Target. I'll also, link it down below. Oh, but Dove Refresh Care Dry Shampoo, if it focuses on you. Oh, that rhymed. One of my favorite companies that I'm gonna be ordering from soon. So I'm gonna test these out. Elf Total Face Palette, Elf Beauty Blair Blending Brush, CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara, which I'm also gonna be trying all these products out. And then I got a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. And that was it. On to the next one and all these products over here. Okay, now for the big box is this one. This one right here. It's a ring light for my camera. Ow. I'm so happy. This is what the artificial light looks like. I've always loved the little ring. This is my new camera setup and I'm so stoked about it. To sum everything up, I hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing all of these products. They were amazing and very, very affordable. Like I said, they will all be linked down in the description below for you guys to go check out or buy. This video is not sponsored, which I wish it was. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you guys want another package haul, because honestly this was really, really fun and it was to show you guys some of the products that maybe you don't have and review them for you guys so that you guys can see how they are. Anyways, I'll see you guys in next Wednesday's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos like this and a lot more. Also, don't forget to follow me and all my social media down below to keep in touch with me whenever and wherever. And that'll be it for today. I love you guys to the moon and back.